This question says that we want you to calculate the realized rate of return. So we talked about this yesterday, but on a stock. Yesterday, we talked about how to do it for a bond. It's pretty much the same formula. Okay. So if you remember for a bond, the realized rate of return was the future value of reinvested coupons. Well, now it's going to be the future value of reinvested dividends, right? Because we tell you that the dividends will be reinvested at a certain rate. Where can we find these practice questions? These are just questions I wrote up before today's class. I will, so for now, you can just follow along. You can maybe take a screenshot, but I'll ask Robbie, the administrator, to send you guys an email with my, with the document. It's not many, it's like 4 or 5 questions. So future value of reinvested dividends plus the sale price or the selling price over the purchase price. So I know we did this already, but I just want to show you exactly how simple it is and how it's exactly the same concept as when we were doing the bond question. So when we were doing this for bonds, so let's just read the question, I guess. The stock is purchased for $9 and sold 5 years later for 14. The company pays an annual dividend of 60 cents and the dividends are reinvested at 7% interest compounded quarterly. I want you guys to tell me what you think the first thing I should do is. Okay. So you all said different things, but only, okay, now I'm starting to see it. 3 of you said, let's deal with the interest rate first. Good. Because this here is what? That's an APR. Very good. We need an annual rate. And they said the compounding was quarterly, but the dividends are annual. So before doing anything, let's do that. 1 plus the APR over M, the M over K minus 1. Cool. So I got my annual rate. That's what you guys said I should do first. What would I do next? And how would I do that? So those of you saying find C. Okay, so whoever's saying find C, that's for a coupon, but I don't have to do that here because I've given you the dividend, right? So you already have that. What should you do? So you're all saying FVRD, okay? What formula do I use for that? Future value annuity, good, right? So the future value is 60 cents. That's the payment, right? 1 plus the rate. And you held it for 5 years. So you received 5 dividends. So let me know what you got. I got 3.46. I was M4, compounded quarterly. Or M is your compounding, right? Anybody else get the same number as me? Great. And do we have the rest of the information we need to use the formula? No, we need the selling price. Do we? Or maybe it was given to us. Was the selling price given to you? We bought it for 9. We sold it for 14. So future value of reinvested dividends plus the selling price, right? I should probably complete this, right? There was like more to this formula. 1 over n minus 1 over the purchase price. Okay, now what's my n here? 5. Why isn't it 20? Isn't it quarterly? So I should like do 5 times 4. Why is it 5? In this formula, okay, good, very good. It's always years. So 5 years minus 1, 0.46 plus 14 over 9. Okay. So 0.1417 or 14.17%.